In the ever-evolving world of technology, new smartphones continuously capture our attention with innovative features, sleek appearances, and enhanced capabilities. One such smartphone that has recently made waves in the market is the Hotwav Cyber X. As an early adopter, I had the privilege of purchasing this powerful giant super protected smartphone at the start of its sales on Amazon for a reasonable $150. Today, I'll share my experience with the Hotwav Cyber X and why I believe it's worth considering, especially when buying new smartphones during their initial launch. The Hotwav Cyber X smartphone arrives in an impressive black box that reflects the device's premium appeal right from the start. The box's presentation is elegant and sets the stage for what's inside, a powerful giant of a smartphone, ready to take on the demands of modern users. Let's delve deeper into the contents of this box and explore the unique features that make the Hotwav Cyber X stand out. Upon unboxing the Hotwav Cyber X, you're greeted with a comprehensive set of accessories that go beyond the phone itself. Inside the box, you'll find a charging cable, a power supply, an additional protective glass, and even an OTG cable, a rare inclusion these days. This assortment of accessories enhances the value of the package, offering users everything they need to get started and protect their investment. The appearance of the Hotwav Cyber X follows the trend of rugged smartphones, featuring a combination of metal and rubber layers that create a sturdy and durable build. Despite its robustness, the smartphone still manages to incorporate an appealing appearance. Notably, Chinese companies have made strides in developing protected devices, as evidenced by the block housing 3 cameras, 2 flashes, and an additional screen on the back. The placement of buttons and features on the Hotwav Cyber X is well thought out for usability. The power button rests on the right side, while the volume button and unlocking scanner are conveniently located on the bottom side. On the left, there's an extra button that can be customized, a SIM card slot, and a USB Type-C charging connector covered by a protective rubber plug. This configuration, while functional, contributes to the phone's significant weight of 380 grams and sizable dimensions, making it a phone not suited for those seeking a lightweight device. One of the standout features of the Hotwav Cyber X is its IP68 and IP69 water and dust protection standards. This allows users to not only take photos and videos underwater, but also provides durability against shocks and falls. While some minor moisture infiltration might occur, the overall protection level of the device is impressive. The Hotwav Cyber X boasts a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display, with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. This combination ensures a smooth and responsive user experience, especially for gaming. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, the smartphone delivers solid performance across various applications and tasks. The device's benchmark score of 422,898 points showcases its capability to handle even resource-intensive games like Asphalt 9 and World of Tanks on maximum graphics settings. The Cyber X is equipped with a 10,200 mAh battery and supports fast charging at 33 watts. Battery optimization is a standout feature, with the phone losing only around 4% of charge during an hour of YouTube viewing over Wi-Fi. The phone also offers NFC for contactless payments, OTG functionality with an included cable, and the ability to use the device as a power bank to charge other devices. Running on the latest version of Android 13, the Hotwav Cyber X provides a clean and well-optimized interface. The Helio G99 processor and 8 GB of RAM ensure smooth operation and multitasking capabilities. The fingerprint scanner and face unlocking functionality are reliable and add to the convenience of using the phone. The main camera, a 64-megapixels lens, captures clear and vibrant photos in daylight conditions. However, low-light performance is limited, as is the case with many smartphones. The additional camera options, including the 8-megapixels wide-angle lens, contribute to the phone's versatility. Unfortunately, the 0.3-megapixels third camera appears to be of limited use. The smartphone boasts impressive specifications and ample memory, making it a great choice for those seeking a feature-rich device. With a commendable camera, a powerful battery, an additional screen on the back, and seamless NFC capabilities, the overall package is well-rounded and impressive. The appearance seems well thought out and harmonious, combining both functionality and aesthetics. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this smartphone. Have you had the chance to try it out? Were you able to secure it during the initial sales? If you're already an owner of the Hotwav Cyber X, please share your experiences. Your feedback and engagement are truly valuable, so don't hesitate to comment, like, and subscribe. It's the best way to show support for my channel, and I appreciate those of you who have been with me throughout this review. Until our next encounter, take care and see you soon.